Right, good morning everyone. It is Friday morning. It is 7:13 a.m. I'm going to hit some garage sales this morning. I've got 15 on the list. Let's see what we can find. Tanya Drive. Alright, that first sale on Tanya Drive, I was looking through some hats, and a box full of hats, and I asked how much. She said, oh, you can have as many as you want. She brought me a bag. So she gave me the hats for free. Got mostly, I think it was about 10 hats, mostly MLB, and then one University of Cincinnati Bearcats hat. So that was pretty cool. Got a pair of Levi's jeans for $1, and then I got the coolest little radio by Crosley. I'll show it to y'all later though.
Destination is on the right.
Sale number 2. All right, so I get to this sale. You see these people behind me? Pop out. It's about 5 minutes early. I think this is like maybe just a small estate sale. There's only 2 people waiting, and I hop out, and that dude, he's like staring me down, like he's giving me stank eye. So I hop out and go, morning. And I said, y'all waiting for the sale, huh? Yeah. I'm like, well, where have you talked to them? Where are they at? They're out putting out signs. I'm like, oh, okay. You don't want me to be here. Sorry, buddy. We might not be buying the same stuff anyway. They know each other apparently. They must be long time estate sale people. I hop out. I mean, seriously, this dude, he did not break his stare from me until I started talking to him.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Cool, look at this crowd. Holy cow. So it has been, I think 5 yard sales in a row in estate sales. I haven't bought a thing, nothing. Getting a little frustrated, but I'm not going to force it. Not going to force it because I know I have a lot of sales tomorrow, and I've got a pretty good many left today, and I've still got stuff to list at home. So why settle and buy a bunch of crap that's going to junk everything up? It'd be too much work to list. So I'm just going to be patient and wait for the deals that I want. It just, when you don't buy anything for 5 or 6 sales in a row, you kind of start to second guess yourself though. At least I do. All right, let's take a look. Boom. Look how bright the blue is on this house. Like if you do park in the driveway, I did on this because it was a kind of a neighborhood street, or not a neighborhood, kind of a busy street. Want to get out the street, but if you do park in a driveway, stop short, like stop at the very end so nobody can block you in. Pro tip. All right, guys, back home, and I'm actually going to shoot this portion with my new little it's basically like a GoPro cam, and but it's just cheaper. It's like 70 something bucks I paid for this whole thing. Pretty cool though. Let me know how the quality is, and hopefully the sound's okay. Hopefully I'm not covering the microphone right now. I don't know, but yeah, let's take a look at what I got. It wasn't a great day today, that's for sure. And I'm gonna flip it around like this. I don't have any kind of mounts or anything for this little camera right now, so I need to order some. All right, first of all, I got a yearbook. This is a 1940 high school yearbook. A pair of Levi's
550s for $1. Man, this thing is super wide angle. I'm only like a foot from this stuff, and I've got all this room on the side. It's pretty cool. Let's see. I got a little bag here. There's a I paid $8 for everything in this bag. There's a Logitech Harmony 880 is what it is. So I don't think that's a great one. They were asking $7. I talked them down to $5. And then I have 3 really dirty PS2 DualShock controllers. So I'm going to have to clean those up and test them. They're going to need a lot of cleaning. They're all wired. They're all for the PS2. Let's see. Look at this guy. Check him out. That's like a little sculpture that somebody made. I think it's probably a welder. Well, I know it's a welder because the guy's estate that I bought this from, there was a bunch of books on welding, and he was like in a union and stuff, so he may have made this while he was in welding school, because it looks pretty rough. It's pretty neat though. I paid the $10. It was at an estate sale, so hopefully this video is coming out okay. I have no clue. All right, this is really neat. This is a Crosley, which I talked to John, the Cincinnati picker, and he said that Crosley is actually based in Cincinnati, or they were. Now they went out of business and their name got sold off. It's a neat radio. I think it's Bakelite. It's definitely a tube radio. I haven't even tried it out yet. I don't really care if it works, to be honest, because it's AM anyways. But I think I'm gonna paint this. I'm actually starting a radio collection. I'm gonna put them on this wall right here. So whenever I shoot YouTube videos, they're kind of a backdrop. I've got maybe, I think, 6 old radios right now, and this is gonna definitely be one of them. I'm gonna paint this though. I don't know. It's not gonna take much sanding, and then I'll just like put some kind of cool color on it. I really like this little radio though. It's neat. I've never actually found a Crosley before. What else we got? Okay, this is a bag of hats I picked up at the first sale I went to. And I asked her how much the hats were, and she said they're free. You can have them. So I have a Yankees hat. This is actually a Cincinnati Bearcats hat. Some of these are kind of dirty. Some of them aren't. This one's not bad. This is a 5950 hat. That's an Angels hat. Let's see if I can get all the teams. I always have trouble with this. Pirates, I know that one. Okay, that's a Red Sox hat. I know that one. That's a St. Louis Cardinals hat. I know that one. And Tampa Bay Devil Rays. Or or just Rays, huh? Are they just called the Tampa Bay Rays now? Or Stingrays? Devil Rays? I don't know. I think it's Rays. Okay, this is a, so all those hats were free. This is a little flight controller thing. I paid $2 for this. It's not a real great one. It's a SciTech. Same brand I showed y'all not too long ago. And I paid $2 for this, and it's only worth maybe 20 bucks. I'll get 20 tops. But it's nice. It's got like throttles built into it and stuff here and here. Hopefully this video is good. I hope. Alright, this is kind of neat. Let me move some of this stuff out the way. This is pretty neat. This is a Renaissance Chessman with board. I paid $5 for this at an estate sale. That's why I had to pay that much. I don't know how old this thing is. It's by E.S. Lowe. It's plastic chessmen, but they're really nice. They're big, and they're well, here's the pawn. The kings are pretty tall, and it comes with a board. And I counted them all up. They're all here. This will have a little bit of value. I think maybe 25 bucks or so, unless research tells me more. That's probably what I'll get. Alright, this is a game I've sold before. Ticket to Ride. Pretty popular game. This actually costs like 40-50 bucks at the store. This one's used, of course. It'll probably get about 20. I paid $2 for this. And then I have a Snap Circuits here, and I opened it up. It's got the project books and everything, and This is the board that you actually like put the stuff together. It looked fairly complete. Like this goes right here. Like actually, it looks complete. there is like a inventory in here. These aren't worth a ton, but yeah, this one looks. If it's missing anything, it ain't much. So yeah, these sell pretty good, except for the really small ones. The SC100 sets don't sell well. I'm not going to buy those again, but this is an SC300. All right, let's see what else we got. It wasn't a very good day today. This is some more hats. Some of these I paid $1 a piece for, and some of them I paid more. This is from an estate sale. AOL Time Warner hat. I thought that was really cool. AOL listed NYSE. I got some nice vintage hats because this is from an estate sale. Check out this thing. Hawaii, and it's got like the leaves on the front. Trucker style hat. That was $1. Check this out. This is a corduroy Continental Airlines hat. That's pretty neat. That was $1. Here's another Continental Airlines hat, kind of like trucker mesh style. That was $1. NASA hat. That's pretty neat. Kennedy Space Center. Tahiti. You don't get much more vintage looking than that scene, right? That was $1. Alright, two more hats here that I paid a little more for. Actually, a lot more. $5 a piece, which is a lot. I never pay that for hats. But I liked them, and LSU stuff sells well. And this is a vintage LSU hat. And it's made in the USA. Which definitely makes it vintage, right? This is a little cooler one here, I think. Another vintage hat. Did I check to see where this one was made? I might not have. Look, you could tell these haven't been even worn or anything. Perfect condition. Lucky Stripes, made in the USA. So those are both vintage. That's why I bought them. Vintage, good school for selling from. Oh, here's the... Actually, I forgot about the highlight of my day. This is the coolest thing I found all day, y'all. Check this out. Let's see if I can get... The lighting's kind of funky, huh? Check this out. This was in the office, like, with all the electronic stuff. They didn't know what this was. I looked at it, I'm like, something ain't right with this radio. It doesn't look right. So... They were asking $5 for it. And look at the back. And I found this. It says Agent Zero 1964 Mattel. So what you do with this, you hit this little switch right here and a barrel pops out. This is a gun. And hang on, let me flip this out. Press the button again. Sorry guys, I need to get some mounts for this thing, like I said. Okay, here we go. So then, yeah, you press that button, the barrel pops out, and then the stock folds out from the radio, and you have a little toy gun. And man, this thing is cool. And I don't think it's supposed to shoot anything, but like the trigger pulls, but I don't hear anything popping, or I don't think you load it or anything like that. But I thought that was really, really neat. And the best part was the estate sale people missed it. They missed it. Then this thing, look it up. It's a Agent Zero 1964 radio rifle. And they go for about $50. Alright, so the last thing I've got was a set of 7. These are Ping, which we were just talking about yesterday on This Week in Reselling. Ping I2 irons, and I have 3 through 9 and a wedge, but then I'm missing the 5 iron. And funny enough, I talked to John, the Cincinnati Picker, today. I talked to John, the Cincinnati Picker today, and he found some Ping 2
Ping I2 black black dot irons today also. Same exact model. And one of the ones that he found was a 5-iron. He found 2 clubs, one of which is a 5-iron, which is the one I'm missing. So that's pretty crazy, I thought. So that's it, guys. It was pretty disappointing today. I'm expecting good things tomorrow, though, because we have a ton of sales tomorrow, a bunch of neighborhood sales, and shouldn't have to drive very far in between each sale. So hopefully tomorrow it's going to be better than today. But still had fun. It was still a good day. The weather's nice. I found a few cool things anyway that I can make some money on. A lot of hats. Good Lord. Look at all these hats. So let me know what you think about the video quality on this thing. I like the wide angle, and I like the fact that, like, while I'm out and about, I won't be having to use my phone. I won't have to tie up my phone that I'm already using for, like, GPS and stuff. So, and this little thing's small. I just need some mounts for it. I need, like, because there's nowhere to even like attach it to a tripod or anything. So I'm gonna have to find. I'm gonna have to order a few things to mount it in the car and to mount it on a tripod when I'm in here. So let me know what you think about this video quality, though. I haven't even seen it yet. So that's it, guys. Y'all have a great night, and I hope y'all get some great stuff this weekend. Bye.